Sarge. Hey. I need a favor from you.
What's up?
You don't want to go home tonight, right? Like everybody else has gone home, but
Yeah.
what are you doing?
I guess I'm staying.
Yeah, I need you to give me a hand putting my side skirts on, my Pro Tuning side skirts on my car, so Cody Deal at VPS can wrap them tomorrow.
Sounds good.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Thanks, man. All right, let's get a look at these things, Serge. Where's Graham? He likes carbon. Graham's way over there. Graham, I'm opening carbon fiber here, bud. More carbon fiber. Serge, I need a knife. Do you have a knife?
Yes, not on me.
No?
I got a knife.
All right, Serge, you ready? The car's a little bit, put it on blocks. All right, let's get into this. So I'm not sure where or how they go, but we'll figure that out. So check it out, guys, just like that. That's what I mean. They're very subtle, but when you stand back here, it kind of gives the car a finish where you can see the carbon all the way along there. I dig it. It's actually hard to see in the camera, to be honest with you. Anyway, guys, check them out, Pro Tuning. If you have, BMW, Audi, whatever, anything European, these guys have all kinds of stuff. Yes, this was a sponsorship, but I have been so happy with the product that it looks unreal. Like, it's hard to tell in the camera. I wonder if I get closer. Okay, guys, I've got the car ready. We're gonna get down to Cody Deal at VPS Saskatoon. You guys should check out VPS anywhere if you're in a city. They're like Regina, Winnipeg, Kelowna, Kelowna, Edmonton. If you need PPF, look for VPS because they're awesome. Anyway, get down there and we will see what Cody has to say.
We both know that this ship's going down. Let's get up and leave before we drown. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we're see-through. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we're see-through.
Run. I saw in Jay Thomas's video that you had a Viper and a Shelby, which I see here.
Yeah, probably two of the most hardest cars to get right now.
The Vipers, you know what? I wanted a Viper last year. I couldn't find one anywhere of that style.
That's Murphy's Law. That's how it works.
Yeah. Now you have one, of course. How convenient.
Yeah. This is a local car bought new, Jubilee Ford. It's only got 2,500 K on it.
2,500.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a montage of this after. What year is it?
2020.
2020.
Yeah.
Beautiful car. This is really cool. This is the old version of that.
Yeah, this is bought it from an older couple. It's all original and bought new again in Jubilee Ford.
Really? It looks original. That's cool. It's original.
Still has the
local
seat
car.
covers when they put on for the day it was bought.
No way.
It still has the seat covers on it.
No way.
It's absolutely mint.
Wow, look at that.
All the sales stuff, like all the original documents.
That's cool. It's probably the only rust-free Fox body in this area.
Yeah, and the wheels were even mint. That's crazy.
That's crazy. Like no corrosion. Wow, that's awesome. Really cool. Okay, now of course this is my cup of tea.
Yep.
What do you got here?
2015 Viper SRT.
Nice.
5th gen, right? So
yeah,
these are climbing huge.
Oh yeah. I could have bought one of these for about 150 2 years ago, and what are you now? Well over 2.
We'll find out.
You know what's funny is this is me, right? And it doesn't really fit everything you have in here. It just kind of sticks out, right?
Well, I had my C8 Corvette in here not too long ago, so I had all three, which is kind of neat.
Oh, okay. Where's your C8?
It's my dad's driving it.
Oh, your dad's driving. He's still waiting for his.
I was in PA yesterday buying 2 more cars, and I had to pick up my truck.
Yep.
And had the extra car, so my dad said, "Well, I'll drive that." So
Oh,
my
cool.
dad's driving it.
That's really cool. Okay, I'm gonna grab a couple shots of these. I know you got to get to lunch or something with Mark, but yeah, I just want to grab a few shots because I couldn't find one of these last year anywhere. I checked everywhere. Cool.
The color's cool too. I like
It is. It's kind of like almost a metallic. Oh, it's got PPF all over it. Hey, that's good.
Oh, the whole thing. Huh?
Yeah, that's what you have to do on these cars. Yeah. Cool, man.
'Cause we're see-through.
Well guys, Rods Hotrods, if you're looking for a Viper or a GT500 or any cool classic car, or even just any car, Rod will, Rod will find and seek out certain cars for you. Let's say you're looking for a 55 Bel Air Pro Street. He probably knows somebody with one and he can find you one. So I recommend hitting him up. He's a good buddy, obviously, and he'll treat you right. So I guess we'll get down to Cody's shop here and get this PPF dealt with. And we've arrived. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. I think it's running. Cody.
How's it going?
Good, man. How are you?
Good.
I see you got Exceed's car in here.
Yeah.
And for those that don't know, Exceed is a local automotive shop, and I would say probably the best R35 guys in the province.
Everyone's
yeah.
around Canada. People send them cars.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Everywhere.
It's crazy. Yeah. One of the owners, his makes 1,500 Kelby.
Yeah, his is around there.
1,500
somewhere
wheel,
around
yeah,
there. Yeah.
yeah,
And it's all carbon
yeah.
and.
This car is unreal. And you know what's funny about this car? It makes mine look like a Pontiac Le Mans wagon. It does, man. Like, look how aggressive this is. Look at a montage of it. Anyway, how did things go over here?
Good.
Good.
The
Side skirts here?
skirts and everything.
They're subtle, eh? You barely see them.
Super subtle, which is nice and clean.
I'm glad they're like that though, because I already have to step out a little bit
I
further.
already noticed even you
Yeah.
step out of it and you're like, oh no,
Oh,
a
it's
little
right
further.
there, yeah. Yeah. So, cool. Well, this car is finally done, I think. Yeah, but hey, what are you doing over here? What's going on in the BMW?
Putting some paint protection film on the front clip.
Oh yeah,
All on
8 mil again?
It's 8 mil self-healing, always 8 mil self-healing.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice, cool. I'll get a shot of that. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you do all the good stuff. Like, subscribe, share the video. And if you're looking for paint protection film or a wrap or anything like that, check to make sure there's a VPS near you. Because, like, I stand by what I say. Best work. I couldn't be happier with the work they've done for me.
I should let go.